Hello everybody and good day. This is Fred with Tech Talk and Wentworth CCTV of New England, and we are coming at you today with a subscriber requested video on how to install a Ring Generation 2 wireless doorbell camera. These are great little cameras for your home or small business. They're very cost effective. You can get one for about $100. There is a link in the description to this video on how to order one of these, but installing it is actually relatively simple. A lot of folks are hesitant when it comes to electronics and stuff like this because they think there is a lot of electrical wiring and a lot of programming and that type of stuff that needs to go on. But in the case of this Generation 2 Ring doorbell, that's not the case, okay? You simply take it out of the box. You'll see the camera itself. You'll see a wall mount with some screws. You'll see a hex Allen key. You do want to save this, okay? A lot of people open the box, they don't know what this is. This fastens, it's a security screw, but it fastens the doorbell to the wall mount, okay? There's actually screws in the bottom, there's two of them, that will fasten the camera to the bracket so nobody steals it on you or so it doesn't fall off, okay? But when you take it out of the box, the first thing you want to do is charge the camera, okay? We said it's a wireless Generation 2 camera. On the back of the camera, there is a USB port that you can plug the provided USB cord into, okay? It comes with a cord, and charge the device. As it charges, you will see there is a blue circle on the front of the camera. That will flash, and as it starts to charge, the blue indicator light will form a complete 360 and remain solid when it's charged. If I remember right, that takes about 4 to 6 hours the first time you charge it. Once you do that, it's good actually for at least a month, in some cases 45, 60, 90 days. It depends on how much activity is at the residence or business, because motion triggers it to come on and record and live stream, okay? So we want to do that. If you do have a current doorbell at the location, you can also hardwire this model. Yes, it's a wireless model and it can run off of, a battery and Wi-Fi, but you can also hardwire it if you already have a doorbell at the location. Of course, you'd want to shut off the power at your circuit breaker for the doorbell. It's just low voltage anyway. Loosen these two screws and plug the wires from the doorbell into the back of the camera, okay? Again, you don't need to do that. It's completely wireless. In fact, the ones that we have here at our home, I didn't hook up to the doorbell wires, okay? We just charge them a couple times a year, 3 times a year, and it works fine, okay? So what you're gonna do is charge it. You're gonna wait till that circle becomes clear, okay? Becomes a solid circle, no blinking. In the meantime, while you're doing that, what you can do is install the bracket at the location of the doorbell, okay? And this bracket, you'll want to install it with these 2 prongs on the bottom facing out, okay? The flat surface goes against the wall. There is an adhesive on here you can peel off and it will stick for a minute. There's also a diagram on the back side that shows you which side is up, okay? Again, the 2 prongs on the bottom go down. You place them where you'd like to install the camera. It comes with 4 provided Phillips head screws, okay? Once you get it mounted on the wall, you stick it with the tape, and then you can use your driver or screwdriver to just screw this right into the wall, folks. It's as simple as that. That part takes a minute, okay? You do want to mount it. We'll show you in the video later. You do want to mount these about 4 feet off of the ground is the ideal height, and you want it facing what you want it to view, okay? A driveway, steps coming up to your door, a backyard, whatever you want it to view. It's important the circle that is the lens is facing that direction, right? You'll get a 180 view probably at about 5 feet, 4 feet, and we'll display that once we get it hooked up on the software. So let's let it charge. What we will do now is we will download the app and show you how to get this online. All right, so let's do that. All right, everybody. So we have plugged in the Ring Generation 2 doorbell camera. It is currently charging. We went outside and mounted the bracket using the screws we showed you in the video. Now we are ready to download the phone app, okay? So whether you have a Android or an iPhone, you're going to go to your App Store or Play Store, and you're just going to search Ring, okay? Once you search that, you will find the Ring Always Home app. Okay, we're going to download that app from the App Store. It takes a few seconds. All right, it looks like it's wrapping up the installation now. You'll see the open button. We'll go ahead and open that. And of course, just like any other app, you will have to allow it to send you notifications, which you do want to allow because this will notify you when you have motion on your property. If you do not have the Ring phone app, again, it's free, but you will need to create an account, okay? So you can give it your name. What country do you live in? You'll have to put in your email address. All right, we've gone ahead and put in our email credentials. We'll hit continue. Now you're going to have to create a password, okay? Make sure you don't forget what the password is. It needs a special character at the end, like an exclamation point or symbol. All right, we've gone ahead and put in our desired password, and we'll hit create account. All right, please check your email to continue, okay? So we want to go into that email and verify it. So let me do that quick. We'll go into Gmail. And go into that account. Please verify your email. There we go. All right, we verified it. So now we should be able to log in. All right, so now it wants us to put in our phone number. Once we put in our phone number, it's going to send a text message to verify. So let's get that. 776077. Okay. 776077. And we can put that as our primary method for two-step verification, the phone number. All right, it looks like we have finally logged in. If you look to the top left of your screen, there are 3 bars. That is the icon for the menu. When you tap that, we will see devices. Okay. We want to add a Ring device, right? We haven't attached our doorbell camera to this phone app yet, so we're going to set up a device. It is a doorbell. It wants us to scan the QR code on the Ring camera. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, we have set up our account. We're now ready to scan the QR code that is directly on the back of the camera below the port where you charge it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and scan that. and it has located the camera and wants us to set up our location. So let's go ahead and hit continue. You can select what type of location you're going to put this up. It could be home, business, job site. Okay, this is going to be home. And then you can put your address. This is to share the camera feed if you would like to, and also to view other cameras in your area, which is very cool. I'm going to go ahead and put this in. And we're going to use the address. You can give the camera a unique name. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that. And you can select where it is. Ours is front door. Yep, we've done that. It's plugged in and it's charging. It gives you a notice to use the proper screws that were provided. All right, you don't want to wreck the mount. Tells you, it walks you through how to mount that wall plate. Okay, so we did all that. Remove the protective film. And now we want to connect it to the Wi-Fi, okay? So you have to allow all of these prompts for it to connect properly through Bluetooth. It says to get close to the Ring doorbell. Okay, we're near the device. Now it says, please press and release the orange button on the back of your Ring doorbell. All right, so let's do that. So we're pressing it, and the white light is spinning white. Okay. So we can go ahead and hit that. And now it's preparing to sync the doorbell to the app.
To the Ring app.
Okay, I just heard the doorbell camera say it's now connected. So now what you need to do is just pick the Wi-Fi broadcast that you want to connect that to. Okay, if you have a home that has, or a business that has both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, you want to pick 2.4 because that is a stronger signal. Okay. 5.8 or 5 gigahertz or 6 gigahertz is certainly faster, but it's not as strong. So we're going to pick 2.4, and I'm going to input my password. And you can hear the camera say it's connecting to Wi-Fi. And it says we've connected. It's successful. That is
Setup successful.
The doorbell just told us that. So we'll continue. All right, as you can see, now that we have completed those steps, the camera is connected to our app. You can see it right there, front door. It does need to go down and to the left a little bit, but you can certainly see the driveway and the stairs, and that's what we want it for, okay? I will double click on the screen so you can see the live feed. Before doing so, I did want to let you know you will lose audio because of the screen recording device that I'm using on my phone for this video. As soon as I double click on that picture, you are going to lose audio. So before I do that, I would like to thank you for watching the video. There is a link for this exact camera in the description to the video. Again, you can purchase this for around $100, install it at your home in about 20 minutes, and have top-notch security. You'll get alerts. You'll get notifications when there's motion on your property. You'll be able to play back the footage. You'll be able to have two-way communication with people that are at the other end of the camera, okay? It's a very useful tool, and certainly we'll see you in the field. So I will double-click on the video as we exit and let you do some live view.